The king of the barn finds, Thomas Mortske. Man, I like this guy. I mean, he's funny, cool, mature, and I'm sure a father figure to many. Well, a mechanic too. But who is Mortske? Where's he from? What's his story? Watch till the end to know. Famously known as Mortske, Thomas is the creator of the channel Mortske Repair and More Mortske Repair. He has a knack for scavenging classic old beat-up, sometimes rotting cars and then restoring them to mint condition. The last week, Soham worked on a abandoned 1963 Buick Riviera, and he got it up and running in a couple of days. After 30 years of stagnation, a car destined for landfills made it to the road. That's Thomas Mortske, and it's what he does. Just a hardworking dude living in Rutland, North Dakota. He's one of the most likable personalities on YouTube, catering to a massive online community of car enthusiasts and car lovers. He's doing a very good job by working on anything from morality to semi-tractors. Everything in between, these is chords and that are just left to rot, and he brings them back to life and then sells them for cash. I mean, I'm sure everyone loves a Chevelle, and to find someone selling this top-of-the-range vehicle by Chevrolet is indeed a treasure hunt for many. I mean, when he went to get that car, we also saw a lot of other classic cars just laying around, which included classic minivans and camping cabs with a 1971 Chevrolet dually flatbed, a 1955 Chevy hot rod, 1935 Dodge truck, and a 1970 Chevrolet truck. To simply put, he just repairs the cars, but paired that with his amazing personality, modesty, and lighthearted humor, it's bound to be great entertaining content, and that means that he has a lot of DIY hacks and ways to help you with any of your car issues. The thing that I like about him most is that despite his fame, he's very down to earth and some of the most hardworking people I've ever seen. He recently got himself a new shop, and it's good to see that he has upgraded himself. Well, the only thing that I'm gonna miss is running errands on lawnmowers. Well, the new hangar is way more spacious, which just signifies growth, and we're happy to see it. The space needs a bit of planning, but it seems like everything is under control. It's almost like a lab where you can do everything from video editing, repairing, or just chilling. Anyway, let's see his channel's growth. Mortske Repairs joined YouTube back on the 24th of May 2012, and with his first upload made about 2 years ago, which was about repairing a brake cable for free, and this alone can tell you a lot about the orientation of a channel and how helpful it'll be for anyone who owns a car anyway. He has more than 150 videos on his channel and caters a huge online community of 114,000 subscribers on his other channel, where he joined recently on the 27th of May 2022, and uploaded his first video about 2 months ago. Already has more than 18,000 subscribers. He can get more than 58,000 views per day, which means he can make about $230 in a day, making about $7 grand a month only from ad revenue, and that's only from one of his channels. Here's a list of cars he has worked on: a 1992 Chevrolet regular cab OBS K1500 and an OBS GMT 400. A 1998 Chevy Silverado, a Ford F100, a 1947 Ford truck, 454 Chevy, a 362 Peterbilt Cabover, a 1959 Plymouth Suburban, a 1954 grain truck, a Chevy Impala, a Chevy Camaro, 1966 Ford Bronco, a 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air, and many more. Well, keep in mind that some of these cars have been inactive for as long as 60 years, and turning them back to life is one of the greatest things someone can do if anyone has any emotional value towards a car. Anyway, we're going to leave a link to their channel if you haven't seen them yet. Do check them out and let us know in the comment section what you think about Thomas Mortske. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more interesting content like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Until next time.